Hello, this is canvas number 2 of the Diamond Dots D-Stash. Hi, I'm just taking a look at this canvas. No special drills. Yeah, I have the canvas out. This is much better. I had it laid out for about an hour or so that I wouldn't fight with it like I did with the bear. Oh, the bear was a bear. This canvas is also a Diamond Dot square, and it is called Seaside Hideaway. Isn't that pretty? That's the house on a cliff. To me, it looks like a house on a cliff. Okay. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay. Isn't that pretty? All right. It's got 44 colors, and it's a Thomas Kinkade. And let me show it to you this way. It always looks nicer when I hold it up. See the house? Looks like there's a light on in the room. Look at the trees. Isn't that pretty? So this one is a Thomas Kinkade. "44 colors. Now, let's get you all the specifics. Okay, 44 colors, 30,000 drills, 435. Wow. But it's not a huge canvas. It is a 20.5 by a 16.5 inch canvas, or 52 by 42 centimeters. So this one is the same size as the bear. And it is a square. I kind of made it right. And the colors, this canvas is more colorful than the other one. And here's your nice toolkit. I like these little trays with the force spout. All right, let's get you a little closer so we can see these diamonds. Okay, can you see them? I feel like there's a little bit of a glare. Oh, look at the reds. Browns. Nice. Ooh, look at that purple. That purple is number 3, and it's actually number 3. Where does that go? Where is their purple? I'm not sure where it goes. There's not a lot of them. But, oh, I think it's going to go in the house. Or near the house. Yep, right in here. Yep, in here. It's actually, yeah, look. See the color? It's a pretty purple. Nice. Okay, let's go that way. Here we go. Another pretty one, number 18. 18 is the less than sign or greater than sign. I always get them confused. Greater than, less than. It's a sideways triangle, and it's going to go on the left side of the canvas. Nice. pretty colors. Look at those. And they're squares. And the squares, they look pretty good. Yeah, they look pretty good. They have a little shine to them. They almost look like they have fairy dust on them, but they are very pretty. All right. Again, if you want this canvas, all you have to do is email me. Here's more. Pretty. Very nice color. Very nice color. Okay, let's see if we can cinnamon roll it. Got some pretty colors in this one. Yep. Very pretty. Again, this is a diamond dot square. And if you want some fairy dust, let me know. Like maybe in the windows. I don't know. Maybe highlighting the steps. I don't know. Where does your imagination take you for special colors? Maybe in the green, in the trees. Again, I will take the 8,000 number, put it in the conversion chart, and get you as close as possible to the color for fairy dust if you want fairy dust drills. Let me know. Shoot me an email and make me an offer plus shipping. And we will go from there. Let me show you the canvas once more. Look at that. You can see the house great. Very nice. This is going to come out pretty. I have worked on diamond dot squares before. It wasn't too bad. But you can go back and look at last year's birthday celebration and look at my review of the cupcake, the birthday cupcakes. That was a diamond dot square. I do think there was a little gapping, but this is a newer canvas, so maybe that's been solved. So go back if you want to see how the squares, how diamond dots square canvases are. This is just my opinion of their cupcake canvas. So I haven't done one of these, the Seaside Hideaway. I have not completed this or Grizzly Swim. So I can't really tell you too much on those. So, yeah, let me know. I'm Pampered with Diamonds, and be kind.